is up, guys? It is a new day, as you guys can tell, obviously. I don't know why I keep starting off with that, actually. But for today's video, I'm going to be giving you a little... well, I don't know what that means. But I'm going to be giving you guys a little insight on basically what it means or what happened when I was working at my second job. As you guys saw in my previous video, I will link it up or below or wherever if I can find out how to do that. If you guys watched the video of me when I worked at Panera, this is basically the same thing, except for it's not Panera. This is actually when I worked at my second job at Discount Tire. Discount Tire is a great place to work if you don't like to have connections with people. I'm personally a connection type of guy. I like to see people and talk to people. At Discount Tire, you basically are pressed to the limit for speed. Discount Tire was really good for me because it really taught me the self-discipline that I needed to be able to make more money, but if you want that extra money, you have to put in your work. And you have to make sure to be fast, make sure you have a car in and out in 15 minutes. If it's not in and out in 15 minutes, start to get on your case. Hey, Max, where's that time? What's the time on that car? How much longer on that repairing that flat? Yada, 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 all that stuff. With all that set aside, and you really get down to what it means to work at Discount Tire. At Discount Tire, I liked it because you got bigger paychecks, but the reason why you got bigger paychecks is because you worked harder. And honestly, I mean, anything to get more money, right? So I think that was probably a good second job for me because Panera was a good first one. It kind of taught you how to be careful and cautious and work hard, but not too hard. But then Discount Tire, when I started working there, it taught me how to present speed. Essentially though, I like Discount Tire because they kind of cared about you a lot more. And what I mean by that is that you got a bonus check after every season for based on like the previous season, how well the company did, and basically the company is giving back to you and sharing back with you. That was probably one of the biggest benefits, was because you got like a big paycheck without having to do anything. So it just shows that your hard work did get rewarded. But overall, guys, like I'm saying, it's probably a good second job. When I worked there, it was something that kind of got me more money at the time, but you do get your hands dirty, and I mean like really dirty. Like my entire arms, my face, everything was black all the time because of all the tires that I touched. It's just like trade-offs, more money, but you're more dirty and all this type of stuff. And so then you have to be careful of what you do after work and what you plan for after work, because if you don't plan it correctly, then you could be going to a friend's house looking like someone that just like got out of like a grease pit, which essentially you are. But I mean, the paychecks were nice, and if you put in your work, they did reward you in that way. They worked around your school schedule and stuff like that, so it's probably like a good job if you really want to work hard. If you don't work hard, or you don't have that type of work ethic, and you just kind of need an extra buck or two, but you really need to put in extra work. And if you don't, then you aren't trusted with as much, and then you don't have any opportunities to grow and stuff. That's probably what I have to say about Discount Tire, but overall, it was probably a good experience. It was good for me to learn about that stuff, and not only learn speed, but also have to learn that you need to manage your time very well. And if you didn't, then everyone basically paid the wrath, and you had to stay later in the day because then they had extra cars at the end of the day, and then you had unhappy customers and all that type of stuff. So guys, without further ado, if you guys like today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Okay guys, with nothing left to say, I guess it's time to end it.